guest. Guys, do you know one thing? Today is such an auspicious Sunday, which comes only once in 6 months, when both the easy teams are extremely happy. Reason? Finally, the present EC team heaves a sigh of relief after serving us for a long 6 months period, right? And the new EC team that is ready to join us with the most zeal and zest. Am I right? Yes. So guys, both of them, they have their own reasons to celebrate today. But what about us, the members? What will we do? Sitting like this only? No snacks, just imagine. But guys, don't worry, we have double reasons to celebrate. You want to know why? What are the reasons? First is bidding a happy farewell to the outgoing EC and installing the new EC. So guys, let's start the installation ceremony with a very good round of applause. So I, as the installation officer, request the outgoing EC members to please come and grace the stage with a good round of applause. That you always hear. On behalf of our Toastmasters Club of West Delhi, I thank all of you for your sincere and selfless service. You have been a wonderful team and you have worked a lot for us. We'll always be indebted to you. And now, this is the time finally to discharge all of you from all the further duties and responsibilities as the officers of Toastmasters Club of West Delhi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now I would request to please come on the stage the new EC team, the incoming EC team. First starting is Sergeant Dance, then the Treasurer,
we have
Secretary.
hope, I guess.
Yes.
Christian tradition.
Sergeant Dance, Treasurer, Secretary, VPPR, VP Membership. Yeah. First notified. VP Membership, VP Education, and the President. Alright. So now we finally start the installation ceremony, and now I am here to install today the officers of Toastmasters Club of West Delhi and to prepare them for the challenges that lie ahead. Their collective challenge is to make this club strong, dedicated to helping people from all walks of life to speak in an effective manner, listen with sensitivity, and think creatively. So I will ask each officer to hold the gavel as a symbol of leadership as I briefly describe the challenges he or she must meet and the responsibilities he or she must fulfill. So are you ready, guys?
Yes.
So let me start with the Sergeant at Arms. So
You both in?
So please hold the gavel. And do you know the responsibilities of Sergeant at Arms? Stay right. You must be knowing, stay right. Sergeant at Arms prepares meeting room and starts the meeting. Enthusiasm. He or she maintains club property including banner, name tags and supplies like snacks. They should always be delicious. She would greet the visitors. She would chair the social and reception committees. Will you perform all these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, sir.
I request you to please pass this table to our treasurer, Yuki. The treasurer is responsible for club financial policies, procedures and controls. She collects dues and pays dues to Toastmasters International and maintains records. Makes financial reports to the club at least quarterly. Receives and disburses with the approval of the club all club funds. Will you perform all these duties to the best of your abilities? Please sit down.
Yeah, yes, I
Please pass this gavel to our secretary, Himanshi. The secretary is responsible for club records and correspondence. He maintains the club roster, has custody of the club's charter, constitution, bylaws, and all other records and documents of the club. He keeps an accurate record of the meetings and activities of the club. Will you perform all these duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I'll do.
To our Vice President Public Relations, Manisha. VPPR develops and directs programs that inform individual members and the general public about Toastmasters International and about club activities. Will you perform all these activities
Yes,
to the
I will.
best of your abilities?
I will. Thank you.
Now coming to our Vice President membership, Suraj. The VP membership, he plans and directs programs to retain and increase club membership. He serves as one of the club's representative on area and district councils. Will you perform all these activities to the best of your abilities?
I will.
Thank you so much. Now, this is the time for Vice President Education, Karisha. VP Education plans and directs club programs which meet the educational needs of the club members. Plans and publishes regular schedules of the meeting assignments. Keeps track of members' progress towards goals. Serves as one of the club's representative on area and district councils. Will you perform all these activities to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
These guys are more than enthusiastic. So guys, now Toastmaster Asta Mendirata, she has been elected as the president of our Toastmasters Club of West Delhi. You are its chief executive officer and are expected to preside at all club meetings and at all regular and special meetings of your executive committee. It is your challenge to see that this club enables its members to achieve their educational goals. It is also your challenge to see that your club helps the area, division, district and Toastmasters International to meet their goals. Please accept the gavel as a symbol of your leadership and dedication to the office. This gavel is a symbol of the power and authority given to you by the membership of this club. Use it wisely and with restraint. You are a member of your team as well as a leader. A team is more than a collection of people. It is an emotional force rooted in the feelings, thoughts and actions of all members with the common goal achievement, sharing, and mutual support. Work with your team members to create a healthy and dynamic club, a club of which everyone would be proud of. Will you, as the president of TMWD, accept this challenge and perform your duties to the best of your abilities?
Yes, I will.
So guys, I congratulate all of you as the new member, new EC team for the term 2020 till June 2020. Right? And now I would request all of you as the members, please stand. The growth and development of Toastmasters International, Toastmasters Club of West Delhi, our club, largely depends upon the actions of this group. On your honor, members of Toastmasters, do you pledge to individually and collectively stand by this club, live with it and work with it throughout the coming year?
Yes.
Yes, we do.
Thank you so much. Will the newly installed club president, Asta Mandirata, and the immediate past president, Mr. Mohit Sani, will you please come on the stage? And I request all the EC members, please take your seats. Thank you so much and wish you all the very, very best. Now, our past president, will you offer the president's pin to our new president, Asta Medina?
Absolutely, yes. I will, but I don't have it right now.
Okay. And will you pin our past president, Mohit Sahani, the past president's pin?
Yeah.
Not a beautiful things, you know? Wonderful. So guys, this is the end of our installation ceremony. Now we can start working from now onwards only into your new office, and with of course your support and direction and leadership and all the qualities whatever you have, and you have been doing all those, you have to support our new president. Mohit, would you like to say a few words for Asta and our
Absolutely. So I couldn't have been more happier today.
Yeah, I understand.
Not only because I'm relieved of my duties, but because I am seeing that the new EC team is one which is fully capable, fully excited, and fully ready to take on the new role. I was just looking at the newly formed executive team, and comprises 4 people who are already a part of the previous EC, and those are the first 4 roles. So therefore, it shows that the old EC is there, very much there to support and groom the new members. The last 3 are newly formed executive team members, which brings in new energy into the group. So both the balance that I'm seeing is absolutely fantastic. Secondly, I'm also seeing a mix of leadership. Asta herself as the president, so we have more and more women as a part of the executive team, and being led by a woman is itself a great achievement. In a country like ours, it's a very positive sign. So a huge round of applause. I think I'll keep it short, but the kind of work that Asta has done, I think she fully deserves to be the president of Toastmasters Club of West Delhi. So all the best. I'm there with you for all the
Thank you.
And my dear Asam, what
Yes, I have a lot to share, but first thing that I would like to share is the very first meeting that I attended of Toastmasters was at YMCA, Delhi Toastmasters, and there when I went I was completely blank that what it is about, what we do here, and there coincidentally was the meeting where installation of the executive committee was happening, and I knew only one of the friend there. And when I was sitting there, I was observing, I was seeing people, okay, this is happening. There are people who are working. There is somebody who is working for it. There is somebody who is putting efforts. And then and there, I understood, yes, there are hierarchies of president, vice presidents. And when I was sitting there, was contemplating things, was understanding things, I was saying this thing to myself that someday I'll also be at that place. And yes, to get there, to achieve your non-academic, to achieve your non-corporate goals, you need to work upon it. And yes, then I decided I'll be consistent. I was consistent since January with this club. And yes, today I was able to make it. So, thank you.
So today's treat is all on you.
Today's treat is on him.
We both can that.
Yeah, we can go that. Yeah.
It doesn't matter who's giving you the treat.
Being the new president for the next term, I promise this thing, especially that with a lot of fun, we'll be learning so many things, but keep this keyword fun. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So with this, yes. Now I hand over the stage
Okay.
to
Thank you so
our
much.
past president, Mr. Mohan Sir.
Thank you. Okay, we can give it. So we have one certificate to give. Do we have it ready?